What about if a person is a traveler? He's a traveler and he's got the ability to fast. I can fast. There's nothing. It's easy for me to fast. Can I break my fast? Yes, you can. You're a traveler. You can fast. You have the ability to fast. You have the rights to whether if you want to break it or if you want to fast, it's up to you. Allah has given you udhr shar'i. Okay? You can break your fast. It's your choice. You have the choice to fast. Which one is best, lakin? That which is best is what is easiest for the person. If the person has the ability and he's got the strength for it, it is better for him to fast. It is better for him to fast. And if he's weak and it's going to make him tired, then it's better for him not to fast. It is better for him not to fast.